Right now, headaches keep controlling your days. Maybe you've tried treatment, specialist, or even medication, but nothing has created lasting relief. You're done pushing through your pain, canceling plans, and missing out on life.
You want the headaches to stop, to go through your day without pain deciding what you can or can't do. Because when headaches don't change, they cost you appointments, treatments, expensive medication with side effects, hours lost, day half lived, irritability, guilt, and the hardest part, missing moments that matter.
Imagine this. Your laundry basket slowly fills with poor sleep, unhealthy habits, stress, and so much more you don't even see anymore. Eventually, your laundry basket overflows and headaches appear. Most solutions remove just one towel or only the jeans. We focus on helping you to empty your whole laundry basket. Because while many therapies can help you, they rarely work in isolation. It is important to put it all together.
That's why we created the Headache Reset Method. An online program with short, easy to follow videos, expert guidance from an official therapist, and a proven approach to reduce headaches and support recovery. With our course, you take your life back, you regain energy and focus, and you feel in control again.
People who have followed the Headache Reset Method notice fewer and less intense headaches. Their head, neck, and jaw feel more relaxed. They sleep better, breathe more calmly, and feel more focused and in control of their day.
Join the Headache Reset Method today. Visit our website and click Start Here. You will get instant access to the program and you can begin today at your own pace in your own space. Let's start together. We will see you inside.